Hey guys, this is Beth once again. For those of you who are new to my channel, welcome. We are going to be talking about what is inside my MCM Side Stark mini backpack. Let us go right ahead to the video. Let us see what is inside my mini backpack. So for those of you who are wondering what this bag is, this is a bag by MCM. It is the Side Stark mini backpack. As you can see, there are studs in here. I've actually done an unboxing for this bag. I will put a link down below if you guys are interested. But let me quickly show you what this bag is. This is pretty much almost like the Backpack Mini by Louis Vuitton, which is the Palm Springs Backpack Mini. But this one is by MCM. It comes with two detachable straps. As you can see, it comes with two sets of D-rings. The top part have the bigger rings, whereas the bottom part have the smaller rings. However you want to wear this bag, you can also use it crossbody or as a typical backpack. So it comes with side pouches over here. There is actually two pouches on the side that has the studs and a front zipper pocket, which is pretty decent, and it is very easy to go in and out of. And it has one huge main compartment and also a small slip pocket inside the bag. So without further ado, let us go ahead and see what is inside my mini backpack and what can actually fit in this bag. How about we start with the one in the front. This front pocket is pretty decent. It is approximately 4 by 5 inches and it is very easy to go in and out of compared to the ones that Louis Vuitton has, whereas it is pretty tiny and it is very hard for you to maneuver getting things out of that pocket and putting things in. Let me show you what is inside. So as you can see, it is pretty full. So let's start taking out stuff that I have in that small pocket. The first thing is I have my hand lotion. This is in the Cherry Blossom scent. I love this one. I have been using this one for a while. There are actually times that I would forget that I actually have this one, but I get reminded every time I keep washing my hands when we're out and about, and my hand tends to get really dry from the soap, so I use that. And the next one, I have a lip balm here. This is by UB. This is the UB lip balm I really love. It keeps my lips really hydrated. And I also have stickers here. This is the No Cavity Club sticker that was given to my kids by their doctors when she found out that they were religiously doing their teeth and brushing every night. She gave them the No Cavity Club sticker. So that was pretty much what was inside of here. You can definitely still add smaller stuff inside this pouch since there was still room to spare. So let us go ahead and go to the main compartment. Here it is. Let me start taking things out so you guys can see what actually fits inside. Let me show you guys how it looks first. As you can see, it is pretty packed with some room to spare on the top part. You can definitely still fit some stuff in here. So let's go ahead and see what I have inside of this bag. So first and foremost, I have this Mentos chewing gum, pure fresh. I think I got this one in the Philippines. Next one is my sunglass case. This is my Spirit Upsider sunglass case, but it has smiley specs, sunglasses. You can definitely see a lot of reflections on this because it is a mirrored sunglasses. Next one is a fan. I got this fan in the Philippines because sometimes it gets really hot. I always bring with me a fan, but I don't think I will have any use for this from now and maybe a few months from now. So I will probably pack this up. And the next one is my hand sanitizer, of course. I never forget my hand sanitizer, having 3 kids And me being a little OCD with germs and bacteria, I always have this one in my bag. And the next one is my catch-all slash makeup bag. So what is inside of this are a lot of little things that I have. I have a lipstick, I have some feminine wipes, I have a few band-aids. Surprisingly, I actually have 2 different types of blotting papers. I have one by Clean and Clear and another one by Too Cool for School. This is the Dinoplatz blotting paper. And the next one is I have a tiny comb for when I need it for the kids. And I also have a tissue with some liners inside. And I have a floss, a pair of black hair clip. And I also have a small UV cream. This was one of the sample sizes I got. And I also have a couple of hair ties. So I have 2 hair ties and 1 plastic one. And I have a mini lipstick by Milk Makeup. And I have a Tarte Deluxe sample of their lip liner. I also have a sample perfume. This is one of my favorite scents by Elizabeth and James. I actually have a few scents, but this is my favorite, the bourbon. I also have safety pins with me in case I need it. And of course, a nail clipper for when I need it with the kids. So that is it for my mini pochette. It is empty and I filled it up to the brim. So the next one that I have inside of here is my favorite pen. So the last but not the least inside of here is my small wallet, which is my key pouch. I have been using this one as my small wallet. There are 10 cards inside of here and a few band-aids inside. This really packs a lot and there is still room for some more cards if you wanna fill it to the maximum. So yeah, that is it for what is inside the bag. There is actually 2 slip pockets in the back where you can put cards in there. I have not actually used that. So far, as you can see, of all the things that I've taken out from my mini backpack, you can definitely tell that this can pack a lot of stuff inside. You don't have to worry about going through the pocket in the front. It is such an easy access. There's a lot of room for you to go in and out of here. And as of the side pockets, I have not used them at all, but you can definitely put loose coins or whatnot, or you can put your lip balm here for easy access. So that was it, guys. That was what fits inside my mini backpack. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And if you have any questions regarding the stuff that you just watched, please put it in the comments down below and I will get back to you guys as soon as I can. And I hope you guys have an awesome day and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye!